Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete a contact on your iPhone. It's super easy. First things first, you'll need to open the phone app. Alternatively, you can open the Contacts app directly, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, make sure you're on the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's find the contact you want to say goodbye to. There are actually two main ways to delete a contact. Let's start with the first one. Press and hold on the contact you want to delete. A little menu will pop up. In that menu, you'll see an option that says, Delete Contact. Tap on that. It'll give you another prompt, just to be sure. Simply select Delete Contact again, and poof, it's gone. Now for the second method. Select the contact you want to delete to see all their info. Then look in the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll all the way down, and you'll find a button that says, Delete Contact. Tap that, and again, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Just select Delete Contact one more time, and you've successfully deleted that contact. And that's it. That's how you delete a contact on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.